أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, it's dua when in fear of people. Allahumma kfinihim bima shita. Oh Allah, protect me from them with what you choose. Sahih Muslim 4 2300 hadith number. Okay, new lesson inshallah we are starting now. I send you the page, please open that first. I will teach you. Which dua this one?
Inshallah.
White page I send
Allah
you.
protect. Yes, the one you said. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ya.
Only one, step by step.
Allah is English, huh?
Or English. It's dua for easy. Okay.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul huznas idha shi'ta sahla. Read with me and look on the translation first.
Inshallah. Translation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh Allah, there is nothing made easy except what you make easy, and you make difficult easy if you wish.
Yeah, it's read with me now before Roman English. Allahumma in this style. Okay, read with me. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla. Allahumma la sahla إلا ما جعلته سهلا. اللهم لا سهل إلا اللهم لا سهل إلا اللهم لا سهل إلا اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا ما جعلته سهلا. Yeah, mashallah. You read please.
Me, alhamdulillah, brother, I focus. That's why yesterday,
you can
I wasn't home.
You can read one time, please.
Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla.
Well, yeah, only half dua. Yakfi. This one only. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla. Okay, please open now alphabet of Arabic. Inshallah, we are learning alphabets from the alif with explanation about every letter.
Inshallah. Alright, brother, so okay, we have alphabet letters. We are on the letter 13. So, as we know, from one letter we learn meanings of billions of letters. Billion times mentioned, which means we learn billions of letters.
MashaAllah. From the alif, please.
We starting from the first letter, which is alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen.
Okay.
Sin, sheen, sin, za. It was Zarza, I'm sorry, brother. Ra, dal, ha, ha, jim, ta, ta, ba, alif.
One time please again.
Alif, ba, ta, ta, jim, ha, ha, dal, 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 ra,
Dal spelling.
za,
Dal spelling. After ha ha dal. Dal spellings please.
B-A-A-L,
And zal
D-H-E-L.
A-L. MashaAllah. Next one.
Because sometimes I make mistake because I'm excited. I'm sorry, brother. Tabarakallah.
No issue, no issue. Green letter after dal zal.
Green letter,
After dal zal, which letter?
Ra.
Ra. Okay. Ra. Okay. Next one.
Ra. Za.
Yeah, Ra and Za. Okay.
Za.
Good, good. Much.
Za. Yes, alhamdulillah.
Ra and Za. Next one.
Tabarakallah. Seen.
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 Seen in which color?
Seen is yellow. Seen is light green with 3 dots.
Okay. Seen yellow spellings in English, please.
S-E-E-N.
And sheen green spell.
S-H-S-H-E-N.
E-E-N. Double E.
E-E-N, okay. S-H-E-E-N.
And next.
Tabarakallah, tabarakallah.
Next. Which color next letter?
Next letter, it's like a orange.
Orange
color.
Yeah, which letter orange color?
And after sheen, we never did it. So I'm looking at it.
Okay, no. I will teach you. Okay, no issue. It's green.
Inshallah.
S-A-W-D. S-A-W-D. Sod.
Sod.
S-A-W-D. Which spells?
S-A-W-D.
Which?
Sod.
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 Yeah, sod. It's sod. Good, mashallah. Mashallah, repeat it sometimes, please.
Of course, brother, inshallah. I've been sod, and next to, we're not gonna go maybe today, but you see, wallahi alim, I didn't write it, but I know in my head, it's dot.
Mashallah. Which color dot?
Dot, it's blue, light blue.
Light blue, sky blue. Okay, with one dot.
Sky blue.
And spellings in English, D-A-W-D.
And the one before, how you spell?
S-A-W-D and D-A-W-D. S-A-W-D.
There we go. Sod, S-A-W-D.
Dot is D-A-W-D. Dot. Sod, dot. Sod, dot. Yeah.
Sod, dot.
Yeah. Repeat it, please. Which spells?
Sod, dot.
Which spells?
Dot, it's S-A-W-D. Dot, it's D-A-W-D. Dot.
Yeah, mashallah. In Quran also billions times it's Arabic language also in
Alhamdulillah.
Many times using this sad dot. Sad means sirat alladhina an'amta alayhim. When in beginning sad sirat alladhina an'amta alayhim, and dot meaning example غير المغضوب
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين
Dalin.
صراط الذين
Da. Wala dalin. Da also dad. Da.
Yeah, صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم
2 times using in this ayah. MashaAllah.
Dalin, yes, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Brother, this is the first thing now I understand what you said now.
Inshallah, in Quran you find tomorrow if you have time. Then I will.
Inshallah.
Yeah, I will send you. I will make for you screen recording video within this lesson. When you will drive the car, then open the phone in a car. In
Quran, you see it.
Instant.
Yes.
You know, cream driving car in all our world.
Yes, inshallah, yes.
He is using the mobile in his car. Instant opening, mobile open the mobile and focus on your driving first and listen and focus your ears to lesson. Focus your ears to lesson and focus your mind to driving. Yeah.
Inshallah, yes, wallah, yes. That's how I study Islam, brother. Because all day New York very hard here, but alhamdulillah, with Allah's will, we got power.
Yeah.
Allah give us.
Yeah, mashallah. 1, 2, 3 times repeat. After that, you can go. 1, 2, 3 times. 1 time from the beginning to last letter, and 1 time from the last letter go to beginning. After that, you can go. No issue.
Inshallah.
Yeah, please.
All right. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ha, dal, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sad, dad.
1 time we go to back. Go back, please.
Dad, sad, sheen, za, ra, ra, dal, ha, jim, ta, ba, alif.
From the alif now.
Again. Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sa, sad, dad. Dad, sad, sheen, sa, ra, dal, ha, jim, ta, ba, alif. One more time. Alhamdulillah.
Oh.
Tabarakallah.
MashaAllah.
Alif. One more time, brother, inshallah.
Yeah.
Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sad, dad.
Oh, mashallah, wow. Mashallah, la quwwata illa billah. Barakallah feek, brother. Allah bless you. Allah give you health. Allah give you knowledge. Inshallah. We will continue tomorrow. But tomorrow in which time? You will available?
Inshallah. So tomorrow, brother, can I ask you a question? What is for you better? For you, just asking. I'm just asking. What is better for you? What do you like?
I am a Quran teacher all over the world. I am available 24 hours for everyone, inshallah. Especially for you. You are my favorite student and brother. No issue. But I choose when I will tired, then I need sleeping and eating, drinking. After that, we again inshallah free, no issue. Yeah, if you good time for you that for you, my client 4 o'clock and your time, you have any time, then call me, no issue. If I will available, then I will teach you. If I will not available, then I will give you time next, inshallah, 1 to 2 hours.
Inshallah.
I will teach you, inshallah. No issue.
I can text you always 3 minutes before.